I'd love for all of you to meet Vince Chan, a rhinologist and skull base surgeon in Seattle, Washington. He's going to share why CaseDrive is so valuable in his day-to-day. What do you use CaseDrive for?
I use CaseDrive in order to archive interesting cases in order to teach doctors in training, publishing and also presenting at meetings or just sharing interesting cases with my colleagues, cases I think they would find interesting. I can do that in a secure environment that is HIPAA compliant.
What do you find unique about CaseDrive?
So I find the case format is really what makes CaseDrive really useful to me because, again, it's just the information that is pertinent to the problem that I'm taking care of for the patient. Because a lot of times, as most patients do, they have a very complex medical history with multiple problems and just a cast of characters of multiple providers. So it allows me to save time to really focus on the problem and really handle all the different sorts of information that's important to me, such as endoscopic videos, pictures. I can even include pertinent scholarly papers or case reports. And I find it's a lot easier to organize than how I was previously doing things using, my iPhone camera roll or, trying to scroll through text messages that I had with colleagues, sometimes including, images and so forth in the text thread. It just saves a lot of time, and I find that CaseDrive helps me with that. And the big thing and how it's able to do that is that it is case or problem centric.
How does CaseDrive deepen your connection with your colleagues?
So I also find it's a really important, it's a special tool which really allows me to share my experience and really something that I can do more on a regular basis. I mean, normally we do this, of course, in things like conferences, but that happens only occasionally. And this really allows me to be connected with my colleagues really all the time in a way that's in a desynchronized sort of way, so that we don't really need to coordinate a time to set aside and talk. At the same time, we can message back and forth and answer when we have the time.